Here we have a table of punctuation marks to be used. Without these, many of the sentences would remain incomplete or rather improper. So in Spanish, punctuation marks is called as signos ortográficos. Going to the punctuation marks, first one is comma, that is called as la coma, semicolon, el punto y coma, colon, los dos puntos, round brackets, el paréntesis, square brackets, los corchetes, question marks, la interrogación, full stop, el punto, inverted commas, las comillas, consecutive dot are called as los puntos suspensivos. Los puntos suspensivos. There's a letter, a symbol with two dots over U letter that's called as la diéresis. Next, hyphen that's called la raya or el guión largo. And last, the exclamation symbol la admiración. Now if you note, there's something different about question mark and the exclamation mark, and that is in English we just use the simple question mark and the simple exclamation mark, but in Spanish we have got an inverted question mark and an inverted exclamation mark. Now while writing any question, you have to start with the inverted question mark, write the question and end with the normal question mark, and same goes with the exclamation mark. If there's an exclamatory statement, you have to start that statement by using the inverted exclamation mark, write the statement and end it with exclamations. Next, we see a table that says something about accentuation marks. Now what does this accentuation marks mean? These accent marks are used to differentiate two words with the same spelling but has got different meaning. So if we notice in this table, we have got two same words, the same spelling, but there's some symbol on these words, and that is called the accentuation marks. Those are used to differentiate between the two letters, two words, and also where there is an accentuation mark, this accent mark, you have to stress that letter a bit more than usual. So we'll see what it is. We have got four words over here with the same spelling but different meanings, and that is differentiated by the accent mark. The first one, C, with the accent mark, is called as yes in Spanish, and without any accent mark, C is called if. Similarly, L with the accent mark is called he, and L without any accent mark is the for the masculine. Se with the accent mark is called as I know in Spanish, and se without any accent mark is a reflexive pronoun, which we will be learning in the chapters ahead. Esta, which has got a accent mark over E, so it is stressed a bit more. Esta, that means this, and esta, that has got accent mark over A, so A is stressed a bit more. Esta, that means the third person conjugation of esta. All these we'll see in the chapters ahead.